Hi guys, it's showtime again. Just thought I'd carry on this thread that I started I think a couple of years ago now, and then it was quite successful at the time, so just thought I'd give you a shout on my current youngsters that I'm going to put into the Ollerton Beavercoats nest feather show next month. I don't suppose I'll win anything, but anyway, I'm just going to cobble this lot together and see what I will show and which I won't. Let's open up this cage and so we can get a better look at some of these birds. And of course none of them are going to perch, are they? There's a few there. Got my usual set of greens, normal greens, cocks and hens, and one or two clear bodies that I bred. Let's have a look down here, might get a better view. They don't like the camera, do they? Nice green. The blue up to the sky is a little bit flecked. Not the best in the world. Might decide to keep him, or show him I should say, and I might not. Just have to see how this lot cleans up. Some nice greens there, I do like light greens. And a grey green there, if I can get him to come down. Got a good spot. And he's a nice sized bird as well. Let's just stay with him for a minute.